A rootkit is a type of malicious software designed to gain unauthorized access to a computer or network while remaining hidden from detection. Rootkits can be used to steal information, control system resources, or create a backdoor for future access. Rootkits typically exploit vulnerabilities in an operating system or application to install themselves. Once installed, they can hide their presence and any other malicious software they bring along. This makes rootkits particularly difficult to detect and remove. There are several types of rootkits. Firmware rootkits infect the computer's firmware or BIOS. Bootloader rootkits target the bootloader, which is essential for starting up the computer. Kernel rootkits infiltrate the core of the operating system to gain deep access. User mode rootkits run in user mode and can be easier to detect but still dangerous. To protect against rootkits, use antivirus software and keep it up to date to detect and remove rootkits. Ensure your operating system and applications are always up to date with the latest security patches. Avoid downloading software from untrusted sources. Finally, monitor system behavior and look out for unusual activity, such as slow performance or unexpected network traffic.